Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Simply Business Insurance Broker Review My Usage Experience. Simply Business Insurance Broker Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare and potentially purchase business insurance policies from various providers. It aims to simplify the process of finding the right insurance for small business owners. Key features likely include comparison tools, policy details, and potentially direct access to insurance providers. Their website provides details on the various insurance types they cover and allows users to get quotes based on their specific needs. The main benefit seems to be the ease of comparing different insurance options from a single location, potentially saving time and effort. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly advertised, but the ability to compare quotes implies that users can see costs upfront. Availability is likely dependent on location and the specific types of insurance offered by partnered providers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Simply Business Insurance Broker Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply entered my business details and the type of insurance I needed, general liability in my case. The interface was intuitive, and navigating to compare quotes from different providers was easy. I particularly liked the clear presentation of policy details, making it easy to understand coverage limits and exclusions. The speed of the site was excellent, quotes appeared almost instantly. I did find that some policy specifics required a bit more digging, however, the overall process was smooth. I had a quick question about a specific clause in a policy and their support responded within 2 days via email. They were helpful and professional. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed customer reviews directly integrated within the platform. I was really impressed by how easy it was to compare similar policies side by side. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. Simply Business streamlined what could have been a very tedious and time-consuming task. That's my overview of Simply Business Insurance Broker Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.